Hello friends, welcome to Easy Nurse, where nursing education is made easy. In this short video, let us learn briefly about the classification of nervous system. The nervous system can be broadly classified into two main divisions, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. What does the brain do? The brain controls cognitive processes, sensory perception, motor functions, and also regulates various bodily systems. Whereas the spinal cord acts as a relay between the brain and the rest of the body, transmitting signals to and from different parts of the body. Now, let us talk about the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system comprises of all the nervous structures which is outside the central nervous system. It consists of two main components, which is the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. Now, the somatic nervous system is associated with voluntary control of body movements and sensory perception, whereas the autonomic nervous system regulates the involuntary processes and controls the body's internal environment. The autonomic nervous system can be further divided into two branches, the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for fight or flight responses during stressful or emergency situations. It increases the heart rate, dilates the airway, and redirects blood flow to vital organs. Parasympathetic system promotes relaxation, rest, and digestion. It helps to conserve energy, lowers the heart rate, and enhances digestion and absorption of nutrients. So there we go, we have learned that the nervous system is classified into the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Let's meet in the next session with another interesting topic. Till then, keep learning and keep enjoying with Easy Nurse.